In this video, you're gonna learn everything you need to know about this 2016 Camaro SS 6.2. You're not only gonna learn everything you need to know about this car, we're also gonna take it to the Strip in Mexico, and we're gonna see what this thing can do against the Dodge Challenger RT. As you guys know, we did have a Camaro SS race on this channel. Unfortunately, that car was way too modified. It was not a fair match. It was unfair. That's right, I said it. So, you know what, guys? We're gonna see what this stock Camaro SS can do against this pretty much stock Dodge Challenger RT. This is the rematch. I'm Jeff from Modern Muscle 213, and today you're gonna learn everything you need to know about this 2016 Camaro SS 6.2. Alright guys, I am here with Mero Kid and his 2016 Camaro SS, and he's gonna tell us everything we need to know about it. Alright, yeah, so what do we got right here?
So we got a 2016 Camaro 2SS wrapped in army green. Pretty much stock everything except for Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust.
Okay. So this is the 6.2, 450 horsepower. Pretty dead serious, pretty much the Scat Pack trim of the Camaros. Do you want to start her up? Damn, that's loud. All right, well, that sounded pretty good. Want to go for a ride in it?
Let's go.
All right, guys, we're gonna go for a ride. We're gonna see how fast it is and if I should back out of the race. Yo, that's pretty fast, dude. Damn, you weren't even going full throttle.
No, it wasn't.
Damn. It moves. All right, guys, it's time to answer the age-old question. Is the Dodge Challenger RT faster than a Camaro SS 6.2? What do you think?
No, that's not fast.
No? All right, well, we are about to find out because we are going to my favorite place in the entire world. It's called Mexico. We're gonna go to Mexico and we're gonna see what this baby can do. All right, you want to honk?
Yeah.
All right.
So 3 times, right?
Yep. Shit. Damn it. Missed that one. All right. Damn. That shit is gone. Damn it. Let's do like a 25 roll or something. You honk. Damn, that shit's not even fair. Oh my God. All right, guys. The race is over and it didn't go well. Your thoughts?
I did pretty good. I think I could have done better.
Oh, yeah?
I think I could have done better.
You can, okay. How so?
If I get better front tires, maybe.
Okay.
If I get better front tires.
You have the Nettos. These things, I don't know, but you were not skipping at all. You had really good grip on these things. And I think I did a video with another guy. I think he's like a Hellcat. He had like 1,000 horsepower. I think he had the exact same ones you have.
Yeah, the extreme drag.
Okay, and these are
Built for the track and the road.
Track and the road, okay. These are really sticky.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think that was an advantage. And then, guys, I made another huge mistake. So, in anticipation of this video, I thought that I could get an upper hand by taking off my spare tire. So I took it out.
Tried to cheat.
Yeah.
Tried to cheat.
So I tried to give myself an upper hand. What's going on, guys? So it's the day right before the race, and I have a really good idea. I'm gonna take out the spare tire in my car. Therefore, I'll get a really good chance to, you know, really beat this Camaro SS. I cannot wait, guys. I think this is really going to help. Shh, don't tell. He'll never know. But honestly, guys, I think it ended up making my car slower. One thing I noticed was that I didn't really get a lot of traction. I feel like my traction is a lot weaker now. I think the car has a second delay due to the fact that the weight is gone from outside of the car, from the back of the car, so I think that's what's happening with it. On my other races, I've never had like an issue where like I would always go, but this time it would skip and I would have to wait and you're already gone by the time I even started moving. So this isn't that fast, but this thing, it definitely needs to have a spare tire. So I'm doing another video like today, so I'm gonna go back home and put that shit back in immediately because that was a huge mistake on my part. You guys are wondering, if you take out the back tire of your car, it's not gonna help. Or yeah, it didn't help me in my case. Oh, I think it actually gives me an advantage with the weight on the back of the car. Any other things, any thoughts?
Your car's pretty fast. Your car is loud.
It's loud.
It's loud.
Okay.
I don't know what you did to it.
Of course it kept back.
Of course not.
Yeah. Yeah, and these ones here, man, these things are fast. Really, really fast. 450 horsepower. So it's no joke. It's fast.
I wonder if I can take this guy.
That's what people are saying. People are saying, dude, why even racing SSs? Like, they're not at RT level. I'm like, yeah, well, is there another V8?
V01.
Okay, so this is the entry level V8. All your V8s start at 450.
Basically, yeah.
Shit. Okay, yeah. So I don't think there's really nothing. Well, there's a V6. I think I could beat that one. Maybe. Damn.
I think the RS has 350 in it.
Okay. All right. Well, I think I'm done with these SSs, dude. Because they are definitely, I guess, out of my. It's not fair. They're faster. Anything? Instagram?
Maro Kid.
_. Maro Kid _ if you want to learn more about his 2016 Camaro 2SS. Very nice interior. You guys know all my information. Do it, like it, subscribe. Thanks again, guys. Hope to see you soon. Until next time.